told me something.
Rosie, I beg, give me 100 and use buy recharge card now. I beg.
Mama told me something greater.
No verse. I know the guy. I don't even get that kind of money for my account. Since yesterday, I never chop.
Okay, no problem now. I understand.
Mama told me something greater.
But why I go just pour like this anyhow? When the be say I get so many useless friends when I suppose don't use to money rituals. I go do money rituals and money rituals show pass.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Mama, you want do money ritual? I get so many useless friends. They don't get any use to me. I already sacrifice any of my friends.
So now the list of the things when you go sacrifice, now that be this. Number 1, you go sacrifice 2 of your kidneys.
What? Funke?
Number 2, you go sacrifice 52 liters of your sperm.
Jesus is Lord.
You go sacrifice 1 of your eyeball and your full sense. That means you don't go get sense again after the gods don't dash with this money.
I hear me, me, me.
You must do money ritual today.
You will move out of this house.